In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can switch plans with confidence, whether you're scaling up for new features or streamlining to save on costs. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This is your main hub for account settings. From the menu that opens, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the page that manages your plan and payments. On the Subscriptions and Billing page, you'll see the plan you're currently using in QuickBooks. This section usually shows your plan name, your billing details, and any renewal information. It's a helpful snapshot so you know exactly where you stand before making a change. On the same page, you'll notice clear links labeled Upgrade Your Plan and Downgrade Your Plan. If you need more features, like additional users, more advanced reporting, or automation, choose Upgrade Your Plan. If your needs are simpler or you're looking to reduce costs, choose Downgrade Your Plan. QuickBooks keeps your company data intact when you change plans, so you won't lose your transactions or history by switching. You'll simply gain or limit access to certain features depending on the plan you select. A few tips as you decide. Upgrading typically gives you immediate access to the new features, while downgrading may take effect at your next billing period depending on your account. Pricing can be prorated, so if you change mid-cycle, the amount on your next bill might reflect a partial charge or credit. If you rely on specific tools, like inventory tracking, bill automation, or time tracking, double-check that those features are included in the plan you're moving to. It's also wise to pick a transition point that won't interrupt your workflow, such as after closing a month. When you're ready, simply select the option that fits your needs. Upgrade your plan or downgrade your plan. Follow the on-screen prompts and you're done. QuickBooks will show you the updated plan on the subscriptions and billing page, and you'll typically receive an email confirming the change. That's all there is to it. To recap, open the gear icon, go to Subscriptions and Billing, review your current plan, and choose Upgrade Your Plan or Downgrade Your Plan. Simple, quick, and tailored to what your business needs right now.